I was reading one chapter from the book, my favorite book, that is Secret. Author is Rhonda Byrne. So, guys, let me clear you one thing, that I'm not promoting about this book. I'm not promoting about this movie. I'm really got benefited, and every day I'm getting benefited from this book. That's why I'm recommending and I'm sharing my experience with you guys. So, I was reading relationship with money. One chapter is there. So you have to got to feel good about money to attract more to you. Understandably, when people do not have enough money, then do not feel good about money because they don't have enough money. But those negative feelings about money are stopping more money coming to you. Understand this thing. You have got to stop the cycle, and you stop it by starting to feel good about money and being grateful for what you have. Whatever you have money, feel grateful. Start feeling grateful. Don't say that I don't have more money, I am poor. So start to say and feel, I have more than enough. I have more than enough money. There is an abundance of money and it's on its way to me. There's an abundance of money and it's on way to me. I'm a money magnet. I love money and money loves me. I'm receiving money every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Give money to get money. Giving is a powerful action to bring more money into your life. Understand, guys, one thing, that nobody is becoming poor by giving, by helping others. So because when you are giving, you are saying I have plenty. It will not be surprising to you to learn that the wealthiest people on the planet are the greatest philanthropists. They give away vast amount of money, and as they give, by the law of attraction, the universe opens up and flood vast amounts of money back to them, multiplied. Do you understand? If you are thinking I don't have enough money to give, bingo, now you know why you don't have enough money. When you
Bingo
think
means mother.
I will teach you later on. Mother.
It's just on the Hindi, not English.
Okay, now you know why you don't have enough money. When you think you don't have enough money to give, start giving. As you demonstrate faith in giving, the law of attraction must give you more to give. There's a big difference between giving and sacrificing. Understand, giving and sacrificing, difference between giving and sacrificing. Giving from a heart that is overflowing feels so good. Sacrificing doesn't feel good. You understand? When you sacrifice, it doesn't feel good at all. Don't confuse the two. They are diametrically opposed. One emits a signal of lack and other emits a signal of more than enough. So one feels good and one does not feel good. Sacrifice will eventually lead to resentment. Giving from a full heart is one of the most joyous things you can do, and the law of attraction will grab hold of that signal and flood even more into your life. You can feel the difference. James Ray is writing, I find so many people who makes a tremendous amount of money, but their relationship stink. Yes, and that's not wealth. You can go after the money and you might get rich, but it doesn't guarantee you will be wealthy. Understand? I am not suggesting that money isn't a part of wealth. It absolutely is, but it's only a part. And that I meet a lot of people who are spiritual, but they are sick and broke all the time. That's not wealth either. Life is meant to be abundant in all areas. Understand?
I like happy, healthy, wealth.
Yes. If you have only money, don't think that you are abundant. You have, life is to be abundant in all areas of your life, regards to the money, regards to the relationship, regards to the career, regards
देखो
to your
मम्मा ने
health.
क्लाउड आ गया था, क्लाउड बदमाशी कर रहा था, अब सनशाइन हो गया.
So if you have been brought up to believe that being wealthy is not spiritual, then I highly recommend you to read the Millennium of the Bible series by Catherine Ponder. In this glorious book, you will discover that Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Joseph, and Jesus were not only prosperity teachers but also millionaires themselves, with more affluent lifestyles than many present day millionaires could conceive of. You are the heir to the kingdom. Prosperity is your birthright, and you hold the key to more abundance in every area of your life than you can easily possibly imagine. You deserve every good thing you want, and the universe will give you every good thing you want. But if you have to summon it into your life, now you know the secret. You have the key. The key is your thoughts. Key is your thoughts and feelings, and you have been holding the key in your hand all of your life. Many people in western culture are striving for success. They want great home, they want their businesses to grow, they want all these outer things. But what we found in our research is that having these outer things doesn't necessarily guarantee what we really want, which is happiness. Just think that you are really happy from the inside. So we go for this outer things thinking they are going to bring us happiness, but it's backward. You need to go for the inner joy, the inner peace, the inner vision first, and then all of the outer things appear. Everything you want is an inside job. The outside world is the world of effects. It's just the result of thoughts. See your thoughts and frequency on happiness, radiate the feeling of happiness and joy within you, and transmit that into the universe with all of your might, and you will experience true heaven on earth. So the summaries of the secret is to attract money, focus on wealth. It is impossible to bring more money into your life when you focus on the lack of it. It is helpful to use your imagination and make believe you already have the money you want. Play games of having wealth, and you will feel better about money. As you feel better about it, more will flow into your life. Feeling happy now is the fastest way to bring money into your life. Make it your intention to look at everything you like and say to yourself, I can afford that, I can buy that. You'll shift your thinking and begin to feel better about money. Give money in order to bring more of it into your life. When you are generous with money and feel good about sharing it, you are saying, I have plenty. Visualize checks in the email. Yes. Tip the balance of your thoughts to wealth. Think wealth. So friends, thank you very much for watching our video.
मम्मा का फेवरेट बुक है.
सीधा दिखाइए. एंड गाइस, फिर से एक बार बता रही हूँ कि दिस इज नॉट ए प्रमोशनल वीडियो. हम इसको पढ़ते हैं और हमको इससे बेनिफिट मिलता है.
मेरा फेवरेट बुक देखिए.
आद्या का फेवरेट बुक. So bye bye, take care, stay connected with me.